In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to clear the formatting on your Excel sheet. For example, in this sheet, I have these cells have been formatted in the past, and now I am missing these grid lines. You see here, for example, if you highlight these with a color and then you decide to remove this color, it is going to look like that. I'm going to show you how to clear the format. It's very easy, but you need to go to the right place to clear the format. So just select whatever area you want to clear the format. So I'm going to select all this that is going to cover the formatted area, and I go to home and you go to clear formats. And now you see it become as a normal gridded cell. So hope this quick video is helpful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for future helpful videos.